What is up, guys? We're in the Jag, man, and this thing is lit red. Man, I love this color on this car. I don't know what it is, just something about it, it just fits. But anyway, we got the front lights done. I want to get on and show you guys those. Right side Wooks, it's cold as hell. Wookie's inside, he's eating chicken. I don't know if he's gonna come back out and hang out with us. He might not. We got the TrapBlazer here. But anyway, guys, we're gonna jump out of here in a second. I mean, you can hear I got the door open, it's pinging. I gotta do away with that pinging when my door is open, man. I hate that stuff. But anyway, we're gonna get out and we're gonna show you guys this front end lit up. I love it. I want to know what you guys think. Get in the comments. Let me know what you guys are thinking. And here it is. We're gonna step out. Let's check this out, guys. Ooh, yeah, it's dark out here too. Let's flip this camera. All right, there it is, guys. That's the Jag on red. That's the back. We got the lights in the trunk. We got the trunk lit up red. We got the light back here. That's the Swagger King giveaway. What's up, Jeremy Klein? What's up, Jolie Farmer? How are you? Charlie, tell them both I said hey. Right there, you guys can see the YouTube camera. That is for, let me show you guys this. It's in the red light. It'll be a little harder to see. But this is for the Swagger King giveaway. I actually wore this on the show. I signed the back. It says try my ride day one. I put the Blazer King logo on the back. It's signed up, but we're going to give this to one of the top fans. Facebook, in my insights, it tells me, you know, who are my top fans for the week and for the month and that sort of thing. And that's pretty much who has the most likes, comments, that sort of thing. And I know this is kind of hard to tell, but if you guys have seen the show, you got to see me of this, you know what this is. This is the Baby Big. We're going to give that away to one of the, let's see, let's lay down here, see if we can get a better look at it. Yeah, there we go. We're going to give this away in the Swagger King giveaway to one of the top fans. Maybe we can get a better look at the back of it a little bit. There we go. It's just signed up in Sharpie, man. It ain't nothing special. Just memorabilia from the show, guys. This is for our fans. Everybody who's out here liking us, promoting us, doing all that stuff. So if you like things from the show, that's definitely another thing I'm going to give away. We'll be doing the Swagger King giveaways. I'll be picking up another shirt. You guys know if you watch the show, generally I only wear like my white t-shirts or my Nike shirts, that sort of thing. But I'm going to switch it up once in a while and wear something a little different like that. And then I'm going to give away to one of the recent top fans. So that's going to be a giveaway. The Swagger King giveaway should be a pretty common thing. But I'm really liking the red in here, guys. It looks good. Definitely looks good. We're going to step back. Check this out here a little bit. But we're making our way slowly and surely to the front up here. You can see a little bit of that red peeking through right there in the headlight. Man, it looks so good. But I love this thing in red. It was just drizzling, a little bit of rain. Look at that interior, guys. And I promise you it's white. But the red is just awesome on here. And as we make our way, it was just drizzling, so the sunroof's closed. But we're making our way to the front here, guys. Here it is. That's the front of the Jag. We got it all lit up. The bottom grill light isn't really the brightest, but we're gonna get that in a little better location, get it lit up a little better. But the red is nice, guys. The red's real nice. You see I got the window up back there because it is raining. But I'm really liking the red. The red on this grill is good. So we're gonna light the other headlights up, go with some more red in the front. But I definitely think this is gonna be the color for the Jag. This thing is fire red. It's awesome, awesome. Look at this inside again, guys. What's up, April Collins, April Johnson? What's up, cuz? How you doing? It's good to see you watching the show. I love you guys. I hope you guys are doing good. Thank you for coming out and checking out the show tonight. We don't really have a lot going on. It's cold, guys. So we're just out here doing it. You can see over in the darkness, maybe, you can see the outlines of the Ho-On foes in the box. Wookie's in there. He's hiding from the cold, eating his chicken. He got some big old thing of barbecue chicken. Gene, he was just up here. He rode out, and then he pulled back in when he seen us coming. He stopped by to say what's up. Wanted to check out the Jag. He seen it lit up red. So we had to come out and show you guys this. But the TrapBlazer's here behind me. We always bringing this thing out. Always, guys. But things are getting slow in the air, you know. It's about over. Look at the light on this, guys. Look how far this casts, man. This truck just lights up so nice. I love it. And then you see all them spokes. Man, this thing looks so good at night. I love it. Oh, there's a thumbs up for my cousin. Thank you, April Johnson. It's weird to say your name like that. My whole life you've been April Collins. But yeah, look at the spread of light on the Blazer, guys. That thing's lit up right. We got work on this Jag. Look, guys, you see the difference? You see what I'm saying? Just not quite right on the car. We got to work on that, guys, and get it right. Definitely got to get that right. But the block bully definitely lit up. Look at all that light coming through them wheels. Big wheels. S6 is on a Blazer, guys. If you ain't seen it, now you have. 26s on an 08 TrapBlazer. Man, look at all that light come through them spokes. Looks so good. We got the headlights out on the front of the TrapBlazer. They were on. We had the purple, Trapper purple on them, but we killed them. They was bleeding over into the red on the Jag, so I wanted to show you guys that and get a good look at the Jag, why it's lit up red. Not a whole lot left going on this year, guys. It's getting cold out. People don't want to come out and do stuff. It's getting cold. We're going to be inside. But guys, I'm telling you, we have so much footage. So much footage to go over from the year. You guys are not going to be bored. Footage you haven't seen, clips, pictures, all that stuff that you haven't seen. It's on the blue camera, and they ain't coming off until the time is ready. But you guys will be entertained, because that really is where the mass amount of the real good footage is. Lots of pictures, all that stuff. So we're gonna keep on trapping even when it's cold. For everybody who didn't see the previous 14 episodes that were aired on YouTube that we uploaded there, I think I'm gonna break them down into smaller segments, and we're gonna upload them to Facebook, so that way everybody can catch up with Trap My Ride and see how we got to the point to where we're at today, because that really is the whole pilot season, the very beginning, from the time of plotting and planning, the whole conception of Trap My Ride, everything, the whole beginning. So it's there, and then where that leaves off, we're gonna pick up, guys, with a whole new deal. And by the time it's spring, this is where we're going to be, guys, here at the end of the year, and it'll be time to pick back up and do it all again. So lots of things to come. Believe me, we're not going to be bored just because it's cold, it's stuck inside. We're still going to be outside as much as we can until it gets just so cold I can't bear it and there's snow out here. But we'll still be hanging out in the Jag and in the Blazer. We'll be doing the podcast with my plotting and planning for the new season and what's coming up. And guys, I'm telling you, I haven't given up on the Trap My Ride tour. Hopefully this coming season we can actually make that a real thing and make that real happen. It was going to go down this year, guys. It really was, but Rona pretty much killed it. So the Rona killed the tour this year, guys, but we're going to plan on coming out hard and strong next year for a good tour. We're going to bring both of these out. We got the Equinox, plenty of projects for that. I'm thinking 22s or 24s. Personally, I like to put 24s on it, but I don't want to cut the Equinox. It's not really my car, not really my vehicle. It's my girl's. She's gonna drive that to work and everything, from Napanee to Elkhart. So, you know, I can't be putting her on crazy wheels. She's still got to be able to drive it and get to work okay. We're gonna put a little bit of a sound system in there. I was checking it out. The console in that thing, guys, I'll show you when the time comes, but there's no replacing that thing. That's a very unique console. You're not putting a double din in there, and I'm pretty sure there's no dash kit for that thing. So It does have the factory sub, so we're going to work around all that and give it a little bit of a stereo upgrade. We're definitely going to light it up and do some other things to the Equinox. We definitely need some tint on that thing, or we're going to burn to death all summer traveling around. So the Equinox is going to come. I definitely I want to add a sports car to the channel, guys. I really want to get a sports car. The wheels on this thing are going to change. This thing's going to have a different look in the spring. That's what I'm plotting and planning, shooting for. I really think you guys are going to like how it rolls out in the springtime, what's coming. But I definitely want some form of sports car, one that's going to keep up with the Stang Banger and Nate and the Charger, all them guys. Even if I don't beat them all the time, I'm going to be able to hang. The Jag is quick. The Jag does good, guys. I know a lot of you guys are still waiting on the footage to come out from the race between the Growler and the Stang Banger, and we raced the Jag against the RT, Nate's Charger. So we have both of those races. That footage is there, guys. That was a blast. But I definitely want to be able to, you know what I mean, be more in the running with those guys than I am with this. This is fun, but it's not fun enough, because I like to talk smack, and once in a while I like to beat them guys. So that's what we're looking at. That's what we're planning on, guys. I thank everybody for a great season, coming out, showing, sharing everything that's here. Plenty more to come, like I said. But I'm digging the Jag, and it is hella cold out here. It's like probably like 45 degrees maybe. So it's cold. Wookie's hiding in from the cold. You can see the Crown Vics here. This is the donor. And then the Ho on Foes is sitting back there in the darkness. You see them headlights. Let's see. Let's get some brights on here, guys. There we go. Woo! Line up. There it is. They just rested and chilling. Last time you guys seen this, the box, it was turned around the other way. Hood was up. Wookie was all crawled up underneath this hood. But I'm telling you guys, he's got to put back together. He's got it running and breathing. So hopefully this weekend we'll get over here. We'll get an opportunity, and we'll check this out with the hood up. So we're not quite done for the year, guys. We're going to keep going as much as we can. But there's not going to be big projects and a lot of things like that that are coming. But there's going to be plenty of other footage from the season that you guys haven't seen. So make sure to stick around. We're not going anywhere. Look at this big hood. I should pop this and show you guys anyway, but we ain't going to do it without Book here. We ain't going to do none of that. We're going to let him show you, because I know he's anxious. He's been eager to show everybody what he's done. I'm trying to peek, guys, because I'm curious. I want to see myself, man. Look at that. You can't see nothing but the grill. Damn it. But anyway, guys, look at that. You see that, though? It's a Chevy gang all day. But we're going to let Will show you that, guys. So hopefully we get that this weekend. I don't know if that's a bug flying in my camera, or if that's snow getting ready to fall, because it's hella cold, guys. Hella cold. But that's what we're doing out here. Wilk's chilling. We're going to hit him up tomorrow. I think he had a long day. He had to work today. It's starting to get late. But I think we're going to cut out of here. Let him chill out and rest. We're going to get back at him and see him this weekend. But I wanted to give you guys a little preview here on the box and let you know that he's got it turned around and it's looking different. So you guys that are checking that out and interested in the box, is coming, guys. We're going to get over here tomorrow or Sunday. We're going to look at it with the hood up, and we're going to listen to it run, see how he did. But I'm going to get this camera turned back off with this flash. So I thought, there we go. We get another look at the TrapBlazer and the Jag. But I definitely want to know what you guys think of the red on the Jag. If you guys like it as much as I do, I think it's just lit. Everybody seems to like this, but we definitely got to work out this underglow, guys. I'm still not happy with it. I know I pick at it constantly, but if you look at this underglow compared to the truck, you can see what I'm talking about. Big difference, guys. We got to get this right. But it'll be all right for the winter. Maybe before the snow comes, we'll get out here and change it up. But that'll probably be a project for next spring. Once it warms up, we'll crawl out here and get all that right before the season comes. Man, I love that grill lit up red. damn, it's not even winter in Indiana yet, guys, and it's cold. Man, for real. Let's see, my car says 46 degrees. That's what I figured. It's 46 degrees outside. So it is cold, guys. I'm back here in the Jag. We're gonna get this thing boxed up, and we're gonna get out of here for the night. So thanks everybody for watching, coming back. Stay tuned for the box. We're gonna get that with the hood up, and definitely more trap footage to come over the course of the weekend in the coming weeks. So stay tuned, stay posted. Make sure you hit the notification bell, give it a thumbs up, get in the comments, let me know what you think about the red, guys. Tell me what else you'd like to see. Anyway, until the next clip, until the next time, keep on trapping, guys.